TAS Alpha 4002i is black and white A3 copier, network printer, and network colored scanner. It has a speed of 40 pages per minute, and it has the most durable component in its class because its maintenance kit life is 600,000 pages. Its CPU speed is 1.2 GHz dual core, and it has built-in memories of 4 GB random access memory, 8 GB solid-state drive memory, and 320 GB hard disk drive memory. It has high print resolution of 4800 by 1200 dpi. Its touchscreen panel size is 9-inch. Its reducer and enlarger is 25% to 400%. It has a built-in back-to-back printing. You can print and save to USB flash drive memory. And as what you can see, it has two 500 sheet paper feeder cassettes and 150 sheet multi-purpose tray. You can add optional accessories to enhance the TAS Alpha 4002i. You can choose from the two document processor, which is the DP7100 reversing automatic document feeder, and the DP7110 dual scan document processor. You can also add two more paper feeder cassettes, which is the PF7100, or you can choose the steel cabinet as its pedestal. I recommend two optional accessories, which are the DP7100. DP7100 has 140 sheets document capacity, and the PF7100, which is you can put two 500 sheets of paper. Due to its long life maintenance kit life of 600,000 copies, you're going to have low total cost of ownership, which is higher savings. And the lesser the parts replacement, the lesser the waste to environment, and the lesser the downtime. And the higher the productivity.